blaze as the vehicle lifts off. You can see clear skies for at least few kilometers from here. The solid motor's boom will be heard, and this is the moment that everyone has been waiting for.
India's most versatile and reliable orbital rocket is on a 4-month journey. The spacecraft has now embarked on a 1.5 million kilometer long trip. It will traverse various maneuvers over the course of the next 4 months. The path will not be straight, and it will take different turns and twists. With the progression of the elliptical movement, the spacecraft will exit the Earth's gravitational pull range.
As it goes around the Earth, when it reaches the nearest part of the Earth, which is the perigee, the motor will be fired and then the orbit will be further raised until, in this particular case, it moves out of the sphere of influence of the Earth. So it is called the SOI, the sphere of influence, and then it will be heading towards the Sun.
Aditya L1 will neither land on the Sun nor approach the Sun. It will be placed in a unique vantage position, which is called Lagrange Point 1. It is a location in space where the gravitational forces of two celestial bodies, the Sun and the Earth, are in equilibrium.
The spacecraft will constantly be able to see the Sun in relation to the Sun. But it's a place where the gravitational effects of both the Sun and the Moon are balanced out, or equivalent to the centrifugal acceleration of the halo orbit.
The mission probe would study coronal mass ejections, a periodic phenomenon that sees huge discharges of plasma and magnetic energy from the Sun's atmosphere. These bursts are so powerful they can reach the Earth and potentially disrupt the operations of satellites.
Still trying to understand the Sun. The Sun is a mystery which we are trying to unravel. And that is why there are so many missions there, because we still don't know a lot of things. And the reason it is so important is all the mass of the solar system is locked up in the Sun.
The mission also aims to shed light on the dynamics of several other solar phenomena by imaging and measuring particles in the Sun's upper atmosphere. The ambitious mission also shows how India has been steadily matching the achievements of established spacefaring powers, all this at a fraction of their cost.
The Aditya L1 is a crucial mission. It will help India study the Sun from a vantage point for 5 years and longer. In fact, the key goals of Aditya L1 is to study the Sun's outermost layer known as the solar corona and study the phenomena that erupt over there known as coronal mass ejections, because coronal mass ejections in the long run could prove very harmful for satellites. When it comes in the field of view of satellites, coronal mass ejections could damage the satellite electronics and impede their function. It can also cause power outages on Earth. This is a satellite meant to study all these phenomena in high detail and then give ISRO data, and this is also data that will benefit the global scientific community. With video journalist Chandrasekhar from Sriharikota, Siddharth MP, we on World is One.
India has launched its first solar mission into space. The launch was successfully carried out at 11:50 a.m. Indian Standard Time. An ISRO's PSLV-XL rocket launched the spacecraft and will be completing its journey to its destined L1 point in about 4 months from now. Our next phone gets you more details.
3, 2, 1, 0.
That's India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, blasting off in the skies from Sriharikota's spaceport.
So clear skies here in Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. You can see the majestic